The subprime mortgage meltdown, beginning in 2007, precipitated millions of foreclosures. Because so many of these mortgages had been consolidated into mortgage-backed securities, the parties foreclosing weren't the mortgage originators, but were at the end of a long trail of assignees. Slipshod handling of the legal documentation necessary to establish these assignments sometimes led to trouble for the parties trying to foreclose, as the plaintiffs learned in U.S. Bank versus Ibanez. Antonio Ibanez and Mark LaRace each took out a loan secured by a mortgage on his home. Shortly thereafter, their lenders executed blank assignments of those mortgages. After a series of additional assignments to various entities, Ibanez's mortgage was pooled into a trust with several others, assigned to U.S. Bank, and converted into mortgage-backed securities. Like Ibanez's mortgage, LaRace's traveled through a series of assignees, ultimately being pooled, securitized, and assigned to Wells Fargo Bank. Subsequent events played out the same for both men, so we'll follow Ibanez. After Ibanez defaulted, U.S. Bank initiated foreclosure proceedings, issuing notice of intent to foreclose. The notice identified U.S. Bank as the present holder of the mortgage. At the subsequent foreclosure sale, U.S. Bank, acting as trustee, purchased Ibanez's home for less than the estimated market value. U.S. Bank filed a complaint to quiet title, requesting a declaration that it owned the property in fee simple. Unexpectedly, U.S. Bank's complaint alleged that it wasn't assigned Ibanez's mortgage until after the foreclosure sale. Ibanez didn't answer the complaint, and the bank moved for default judgment. The trial court consolidated U.S. Bank's case with Wells Fargo's. After a hearing, the trial court entered judgment against U.S. Bank. Based on the complaint allegations, the court found that the bank was assigned Ibanez's mortgage only after the foreclosure sale, and therefore wasn't legally entitled to foreclose at the time of the sale. U.S. Bank moved to vacate the judgment, arguing that despite the complaint allegations, it now had proof of a pre-foreclosure assignment. U.S. Bank submitted securitization documents that discussed mortgage assignments but didn't specifically reference the Ibanez mortgage. The trial court denied the motion to vacate, and the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court granted direct appellate review.